Hey YouTube, welcome back to my channel. It's the Life for Ashi. We are in a severe snowstorm, y'all. It is so bad out here. I'm about to show y'all. Y'all already see I'm walking in snow. Y'all, look how bad it is. Look at this. This is only like the third day. It was so much worse yesterday. But if y'all can see, like, this is the snow that we got. Y'all see this? It is ridiculous. I want y'all to see. Like, this is where I'm stepping, okay? But look at the sidewalk. This is the sidewalk, because this is the street. This is the sidewalk. Y'all see this? It's up to my knees. It's past my knees. It's at, like, my thighs. It is so bad out here, y'all. It was so cold, and everybody was, like, stuck in their cars. My car is still stuck on a highway somewhere. I don't even know where my car is anymore. So I'm gonna have to, I guess, find the impounds and stuff to figure out where my car is gonna get towed to, because this is ridiculous. It's like been snowing 3 days non-stop. So my boyfriend was driving my car when it got stuck, and he got stuck in a car for probably like 4 hours. He was stuck in a car before the firefighters came and pulled him out the car. That's how bad it is, y'all. Like, when I say this snowstorm is not even a snowstorm, it's just like hail, literally. Hail in December. It's so bad. And to be like right before Christmas, nobody celebrated Christmas with each other. At least not from my family, because everybody's stuck in their homes. Like, it's so bad out here, y'all. I wouldn't wish this on nobody. Like, sometimes snow can be fun, but sometimes snow could be like a headache. And right now, it's a fucking migraine. So I hope everybody celebrated Christmas nicely together. If y'all in different parts of the world and y'all not experiencing what we're experiencing, I hope everybody celebrated together. Everybody enjoyed each other and got all the gifts that you guys wanted. Unfortunately, my family, we have to celebrate probably like next weekend or something later on, because this is not gonna happen right now. We still are under a travel ban at the moment. So eventually sometime we'll get together. We had a virtual Christmas. Everybody was on FaceTime with each other. So, I mean, safety is all that really matters. As long as everybody is safe, that's what matters. But this is still crazy, y'all. So, I'm outside shoveling now. The best way I know how, because I do not shovel. But because my boyfriend was in a situation here, I'm going to do the job. I don't want him to be out here no more than what he already was. So, talk to y'all later.